Now that you've watched our application video, our Flutter experts have a few tricks that may help make your application go even smoother and last even longer. A few pro tips to help you get the most out of your Flutter Habit lashes are as follows. Number 1, curl your natural lashes before you begin applying. For some people, especially people with straight or particularly long natural eyelashes, it helps make application easier to curl the natural eyelashes with an eyelash curler before applying. This gives easier access to the underside of the lashes, which allows for a more confident placement of the eyelash segments. Number 2, trim off any tails or stray hairs on segment strips before applying. To make sure that your lash segments sit as close as possible to each other, we recommend checking every eyelash segment strip for any tails hanging beyond the lash clusters. Trim these off with a pair of fine-tip nail scissors before applying for a more seamless application. Also, inspect every segment for any rogue hairs and snip them off before applying. Number 3, allow your glue to dry for up to a minute before application. Once you apply the glue to your lash segment, let it dry for anywhere between 20 to 60 seconds before applying. This small amount of extra dry time can make it significantly easier to get your lash segments to adhere to your eyelashes and makes it far less likely to have any issue with the segments coming loose before they are dry. Some veteran Flutterers even leave the cap off of their glue 24/7 and simply clean out the tip of the glue container of the small glue plug that forms overnight before every application, which makes the glue tackier right out of the bottle. Number 4, if a section falls off, just reapply that section. If you happen to have a section of your eyelashes fall off, or if you need to remove a section, don't fret. You don't have to start over from scratch. Simply grab the same section from another set of eyelashes, apply your glue, and apply to the missing part of your eyelashes. Number 5, how to ensure a solid black line along your waterline. To ensure that the lash segments are staying together, place a small amount of glue to the outer edge of every lash segment so that when you lay the strips end to end under your lashes, they stick to each other. After the glue has dried, if you can still see a visible space between any eyelash segments, take a small amount of glue onto a small makeup brush and dab it between the two segments and hold them together until it dries. This should help restore that seamless, eyeliner-esque look.